Oh, did one just went and go into something?
Yeah.
That was sick. Oh, one just went off over there. Yeah. Yeah! Yeah, more! I love fire! Some people are covering their ears, but not me. I love fire and loud noises.
Stick right there.
Someone's on the roof recording.
Yeah, they always do.
They're using. That one was just a mini gun. Oh, Jesus Christ! Woo! Wait, I think they're planting more. Oh, never mind. I'm a digger, good man. And I'm jealous violent. Ever on the fucking feelings leave my soul burning, I'll be leaving it. Woohoo! Oh, they're making more! Rocket launcher! They should make this gun in Fortnite. They should make a gun like this in Fortnite, the firework launcher. Are they actually? Sick! Shout out to this guy. Oh, kaboom! Is that it? Oh, well, top of us. Yeah! I love that one. That's the best. They still not done? Enough one. Yep, I think so. Another one. And another one. Jesus Christ. Oh! Whoa, that was sick. I bet it just hit the floor. Yeah, I bet it went over there. Oh! When I upload this to YouTube, I'm saying a warning to anyone that doesn't like loud noises. minigun sounds. Say it?
No.
Jeez, how much money does he have to afford this? Shout out to this guy, by the way. You are in a YouTube video, by the way.
Guys, come here.
Okay.
Guys, come here. Come right in.
Now is that it? What is that?
Big hat.
Where is it? But what? There's two more.
There's 4 more.
What 4 more? Jeez, how do you know? Do you have X-ray vision or something? Those ones are the best. I'm sad that they don't have screaming demons. Oh, it's raining. Another one. Literally, it's raining sticks.
Literally, sticks are coming with it.
Yeah, I know. Every time they set up a firework, a man gets hit in the head by a stick.
Imagine if that was one of the big ones.
If it would be raining sticks if it was one of those big ones.
Yeah. There's still more. I can legit see them.
Yeah, I can as well. See these fat rockets right there.
Yeah.
I think he's going to make one that explodes into more. Oh, another box, guys. You may not see, but another box somewhere.
See the 2 front ones? You can barely see it.
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
I haven't made a video like this in ages. Con ăn với nó ngọt.
Come here, we are hit it.
Yeah. This has been going on for 90 minutes now. But I don't care.
19?
Yeah, look.
What's your favourite colour?
Blue.
Mine's orange.
Oh, I thought your coat was yellow.
Oh no, it's some white and black.
Oh. Let's see if there's any more coming.
There is.
Yep, just saw some fire. I think they're using a blowtorch.
Yeah, blowtorch.
I swear it is going to be raining sticks after this. fire.
Yeah.
I did about like 5 times.
I got hit in my nose, on my chin, my eye, and here.
Yeah, the rock things keep on aiming for my eyes for some reason.
Yeah. And I've had 2 fall on my head like that.
Oh no! I think they're putting their life at risk to do this. Another one was trying to hit something just hit me there. And we're back to the beginning! Is that it? Yeah! Hell yeah!
That was sick.
I know, but now there's going to be like 10 million Hoovers going through this. Imagine if they get like more. What if they put their whole truck on fire?
No, you should have saw it at the start. It hit the roof, and then it made like a wire go on. The same.
I know, I saw it. I don't think I got it on camera though.
Where's your nose?
No, it doesn't. It's just got hit here. Got hit there.
And it's gone in his mouth apparently.
Yeah, it went in my mouth.
How long was that video, guys?
23 minutes.
Is it? Go on, stop it. You think he's done now.
Bye guys. See you later.